Hi, I'm Nia Moore. Welcome to or back to my channel. So I'm actually not gonna go to this way wash my hair in the shower. I'm actually gonna wash my hair in the sink. The first thing I do is I rinse out my hair to make sure I get all the excess product out. I'm using a Maui Moisture shampoo. Once I am done covering my hair with shampoo, I rinse it out. I do the same process on the other side of my hair. For my conditioner, I'm also using Maui Moisture. When I'm detangling my hair, I use this brush. I'm sorry to say I don't remember the name of it. I've been having this brush for the longest time. The way I get my hair super detangled is I comb over my hair and then I comb beneath my hair. I try to detangle my hair while I'm rinsing the conditioner out, but it was just not working out. And I recommend, if you're washing your hair in the shower, for you to detangle your hair while you're rinsing out your conditioner. So what I did is I just started detangling with my fingers. I do the same process on the other side. When I dry off my hair, I almost dropped my shirt. I use a t-shirt because it decreases my chances of getting frizz. I'm gonna show you guys how I style my hair. So basically what you will need is spray bottle, because my hair's probably dried out by now. Oil is Camille Rose, Cocoa Nibis, and honey. And then my product is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Then I have the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. So this is what my hair looks like right now. What I do is I get my oil and I just oil all on my scalp in like stages. Like I go from the top of my scalp right here to like this part, until I'm done with moisturizing my scalp. I hold my hair like this so it could actually get into my scalp better. And I open this. I don't open it too much because I don't want it to come out too fast. I want to be able to control how much I get. After I'm done, I'm just going ahead and moisturize it. Make sure it gets all in. Basically is I part my hair in the back. So this part is too big for my preference. So I just keep parting it until I have a section that I'm actually gonna work with. So this is a good amount. It may need to be too big. So this is about the good amount that you want to use. So I get a scrunchie that I randomly just got off of my counter, and I just put it in a bun on top of my head. I'm gonna do that now, but usually I just like put it in a ponytail. Like, what am I even saying? Okay, so I did this. Alright, so it's still pretty damp, but I want it a little bit more. So I thoroughly just use a spray bottle and make sure my hair is wet like that. Now I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Alright, and I don't take a lot of this much. And you can always get more if you want to. And what I like to do is do like this and do that. Now I'm getting the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, and it comes out as like a hard gel, which I pretty much like. But look, it looks like a little tiny like snail. I got a little bit too much, but it's okay. So I put this on my hair, and it smells so good. I did that. So now you'll get your demon, something like that. You'll get your brush, and what you'll do is I like to detangle it first. All I do is do like that through my hair. So I want to make sure I get all the knots out. And when you're doing this, you get more product because it does get kind of frizzy, but it's okay. So now the actual thing I do is I go under my hair. No, I don't. Yes, I did. All right. So I go under my hair and I comb it, and when I get to the end, I move it like this. And you do that. And that's it. And like stuff like this, if you notice, you could also finger coil it. Or I just like do like that. And it comes out kind of like that. But honestly, I don't even care. It's okay if it's like frizzy because my other hair's gonna block it. But this is how it's looking right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this side, show you guys. So I'll be back once I finish this side. Hey guys, so I am done. Try not to touch my curls too much because that is not good. It causes frizz. But I like to kind of get like this white stuff out of my hair. So now I'm going to do the other side, and I will see you guys when I'm done with that. Hey guys, so I'm done with this side, and I actually did flip it because my hair just looked weird in the middle. I'm not gonna do the full spin because I'm not done yet. I actually have a diffuser. It's a Canon diffuser. Oh, so what you do? So loud. Top diffuser with these spikes so it can go on your scalp. So you put it on here, and what I do is I just hover over my hair, and then I go in my scalp, and then I start to go towards my ends. And my settings, I normally do full or high. It matters like, so I'm gonna do high right now. Sometimes I even do warm, but it's too hot. So I just do cool, and you could do it on high so your hair can dry faster. So guys, this is the final product. You can see my hair looks so much better. I'm gonna do a little spinny spin. So guys, that is my hair. If you have any questions about like hair stuff that you have questions about, then feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check my description box for more info on all the links to my products that I use and other information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I post a video, and share this video to any friends and family you have. I'll see you guys on my next video. I really hope you enjoy. Bye.